unquote. What if I told you that the average American could be wasting hundreds of dollars every single month without even realizing it? No. I'm not talking about giving up coffee or living on a strict budget. I'm talking about using artificial intelligence to make smarter financial decisions. Today, I'll show you 5 AI tools that can help many Americans save time, avoid costly mistakes, and potentially keep hundreds of extra dollars in their pockets every month. And please don't skip tool number 5. It's the one almost nobody is using correctly. Let's begin. Tool number 1, ChatGPT. Most people use ChatGPT to write emails. That's a mistake. Use ChatGPT as your personal financial thinking partner. Ask it, can you make me a weekly grocery budget? How can I pay off my credit card debt faster? Compare renting versus buying a home in my zip code. Build a retirement plan if I invest $500 every month. One smart question could save you from making a $1,000 mistake. Financial freedom doesn't always begin with making more money. Sometimes it begins by making fewer bad decisions. Tool number 2, Rocket Money. Do you know how many Americans are paying for subscriptions they don't even use? Streaming services, fitness apps, free trials they forgot to cancel? Rocket Money automatically finds recurring subscriptions and helps users understand where their money is going. Some users also use its bill negotiation features when available. Imagine saving just $50 every month. That's $600 a year. Small leaks sink big ships. Tool number 3, Perplexity AI. Stop overpaying. Before buying anything online, ask Perplexity, is this the best price right now? Are there better alternatives under $100? Is this product actually worth buying? 5 minutes of research today could save hundreds of dollars tomorrow. Rich people don't necessarily buy cheaper things. They simply make smarter buying decisions. Tool number 4, Clio. Let's be honest. Most people don't fail financially because they don't earn enough. They fail because they don't know where their money disappeared. Clio provides AI-powered spending insights, budgeting assistance, and savings goals that can help users understand their spending habits better. You can't improve what you don't measure. Tool number 5, Gemini. This is probably the most underrated one. Use Gemini as your financial research assistant. Ask it, explain Roth IRA like I'm 18. How does compound interest work? Compare high-yield savings accounts. Explain ETFs for beginners. The biggest investment you'll ever make isn't in the stock market. It's investing in your financial education. Before you leave, let me tell you something. This isn't just another AI video made to chase views. Every single word you heard today was created with one purpose, to help you make smarter financial decisions. We're not asking you to trust us blindly. We're asking you to stay curious, verify what you learn, and use these tools wisely. If this channel helps you save just one bad financial decision, one unnecessary expense, or helps you start investing 1 year earlier, that could change your future. And that's why this channel exists. If you found value in today's video, subscribe now because we're not here to sell financial dreams. We're here to help you build financial confidence, one smart decision at a time. Welcome to the family. I'll see you in the next video.